They just had Buckle up here. Is there a particular reason why Buckle was chosen as the mascot?
We didn't choose it. Bill started collecting it because the pattern strongly resembles the Block O of Ohio State University. And,
when I saw that pattern, I knew I had to collect that pattern, and found out his name wasn't Block O, his name was Buckle. Well, that was okay. And so that became something I looked for, and we started to collect that. And then, all along, we wanted the idea of a logo. And we talked some at meetings and asked for suggestions, and didn't really make any progress on it at all.
not in the first 2 years.
And when I left, I was president for the first 2 years. I was the first president and president for 2 years, which was the draw in the beginning to choose the trustees. We, I think, just drew out of a Spooner names for lengths of terms, and mine came out for a 2-year term. And so at the end of my 2-year term, I declined to run again, and Phyllis Petkoff was elected president to succeed me. And Phyllis and the board, of which, of course, I was no longer a member at that point, chose Buckle as the Buckle picture as the logo for the society, which pleased me very much. I thank Phyllis for that. I don't know that I don't truthfully know exactly what discussions Phyllis had, whether she did that on her own or with I'm sure she got the approval of the board for it, but how much they were involved, I don't know. But at any rate, it became the logo of the society, and I hope it will remain the logo of the society for quite a while.
Well, and you used the Spooner as the gavel for the first few meetings,
Yeah,
and I guess all the while you were president.
Yes, well, for the founding meeting, I called that the old beat-up Spooner, Buckle Spooner I found someplace, and with authentic wear. I have it here someplace.
Well,
and it's the one that I wrote an article in my last edition of the News Journal that I edited. I wrote an article entitled "She is Smiling," about the life of the Buckle in a household of the lady who had owned it, and used that at to call the founding meeting to order, and used the spoon against it to call the 2 annual meetings that I chaired when I was president. And I've kept it just for sentiment's sake. It's certainly, I don't know, probably paid $2 for it or something. It was not a very valuable piece of glass, but it does have.
It is now.
It is. Well, to me, it is now.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Oh, my.